Hello student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to you another important video. Today I am telling you chapter 4 chemical bonding and molecular structure. Some important definition and point of chapter 4 chemical bonding and molecular structure are: first topic is bond length. Bond length. What is bond length? The equilibrium distance between the nuclei of two bonded atoms in a molecule is called bond length. Look here, this is the chlorine atom and this is the chlorine atom. So this is the equilibrium distance. So bond length is the equilibrium distance between the nuclei. This is the nuclei of first chlorine atom. This is the nuclei of another chlorine atom. The equilibrium distance between the nuclei of two bonded atoms is called bond length. Dear student, I am telling you bond length again. The equilibrium distance between the nuclei of two bonded atoms is called bond length. After this, next topic is bond angle. What is bond angle? Angle formed between the orbitals containing bonding electron pair. Bond angle. Angle formed between the orbitals containing bonding electron pair. Angle formed between the orbitals containing bonding electron pair is called bond angle. For example, bond angle between hydrogen, oxygen and hydrogen atom in water molecule is 104.5 degree. Student, I am telling you bond angle again. Angle formed between the orbitals containing bonding electron pair. Total number of electron, atomic number of oxygen 8, electronic configuration 2,6. 6 electron present in valence cell or last cell or of oxygen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So bond angle of water molecule is 104.5 degree. After this, student, I am telling you next topic. Next topic is non-polar covalent bond. What is non-polar covalent bond? Non-polar covalent bond. Next topic is non-polar covalent bond. What is non-polar covalent bond? It is formed between the orbitals containing two similar atoms. Non-polar covalent bond. It is formed between the orbitals containing two similar atoms. For example, F2, two similar chlorine atom, N2, two nitrogen atom, O2, two similar oxygen atom, Cl2. So dear student, I am telling you again, non-polar covalent bond. It is formed between the orbitals containing two similar atoms. Example, fluorine molecule contain two similar atoms, fluorine atom. Nitrogen molecule contain two similar atoms, nitrogen atom. Oxygen molecule contain two similar atoms, oxygen atom. Chlorine molecule containing two similar atoms, chlorine atom. After this, student, next topic is polar covalent bond. What is polar covalent bond? It is formed between the atoms containing two. It is formed in the molecule containing two different atoms. Polar covalent bond, or we can say one element is high electronegative than the other element. For example, HCl. Other example, water molecules. Here, chlorine is high electronegative than hydrogen. Here, student, I am telling you again, polar covalent bond. It is formed between the orbitals. It is formed between the molecules containing, especially molecules containing two different atoms. Or one atom is highly electronegative, other atom is less electronegative. After this, next topic is dipole moment. What is dipole moment? बच्चों, अब मैं आपको बता रहा हूं डाइपोल मोमेंट. ये डाइपोल मोमेंट होता क्या है? व्हाट इज डाइपोल मोमेंट? What is the unit of dipole moment? Dipole moment is denoted by mu. Mu is equal to Q into R. Product of charge and distance between the distance of separation of two charge is called dipole moment. It is denoted by mu. Its SI unit is debye. I am telling again, dipole moment mu is equal to Q into R. So we can say product of charge and distance between the separation of positive and negative charge. It's called dipole moment. It is denoted by mu. Its unit is debye. Dipole moment's unit is debye. 1 debye is equal to 3.3 into 10 to the power minus 30 coulomb into meter. Other unit of dipole moment is coulomb into meter. So we can say coulomb into meter. After this, next topic is dear student, last topic of this chapter is hydrogen bond. What is hydrogen bond? I am telling you again last time. Hydrogen bond. The attractive force which bind the attractive force. What is hydrogen bond? The attractive force which bind hydrogen atom of one molecule with the electronegative atom of another molecule is called hydrogen bond. It is denoted by dotted line. This is H bond F. Attractive force which bind hydrogen atom of one molecule with the electronegative. This is hydrogen atom of one molecule and this is the electronegative atom of another molecule. After this, so hydrogen bond is hydrogen bond. I am telling you again, dear student, the attractive force which bind hydrogen atom of one molecule with the electronegative atom of another molecule is called hydrogen bond. Now I am telling you types of hydrogen bond. Dear student, hydrogen bond are of two types. First is intermolecular hydrogen bond, second is intramolecular hydrogen bond. So first is intermolecular hydrogen bond. Intermolecular hydrogen bond. It is formed between two different molecules of same or different compound. It's called intermolecular hydrogen bond. Example, or we can say intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Example, hydrogen fluoride molecule, alcohol molecule, water molecule. Next is intramolecular hydrogen bond. Number 2 is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. What is intramolecular hydrogen bonding? It is formed within the same molecule, or it is formed when hydrogen atom between two highly electronegative atoms. Example, intramolecular hydrogen bonding is orthonitrophenol, NO2, I am telling you again, intramolecular hydrogen bonding. It is formed when hydrogen atom is between two highly electronegative atoms. This is oxygen atom, this is oxygen atom. These two atoms are highly electronegative atoms. Intramolecular hydrogen bond is formed when hydrogen atom is between two highly electronegative atoms. Okay, students? So, students, like this video. and share it to your all friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.